Hi everyone, and welcome to the Free Range Diva. Today I have a really quick tag that was started by Reagan, and her channel is called Beau. She is a young woman who is very enthusiastic about makeup and all things green and, you know, sustainable, and has been on YouTube for about a year and does some really awesome makeup looks. But she started this tag that asks us to reveal, those of us that are passionate about green beauty and green living, those conventional items that we still use. Her tag was more towards makeup. I don't have a lot of makeup, but I do have a few conventional items that I still use. I'm also going to talk about a couple of non-makeup items that I still use as well, that are conventional. So, true confession time here at Free Range Diva, and I am also going to reveal the winner of the Eau Valley Face Mask Alchemy subscription mask. So, let's get started. So, here we have 3 lipsticks from MAC, and I got started with MAC. Actually, my mother started me because looking at this skin tone, growing up, there was virtually nothing for me as far as foundation, and so I really didn't wear it. And in the 90s, I found something in Revlon that actually was pretty darn close. And but my mother told me about MAC, and that was the first time that I actually found a foundation that was an exact match for my skin tone. So I have had a lot of items, especially some of them I got at workshops and things that I went to where they were giving away free MAC goodies. But the one item that I still use and cannot give up, and I don't know that I will ever want to give up, are their lipsticks. I have 3, and I'm sure you've seen them somewhere around on the channel before, either in a Get Ready With Me or some, I think, well actually, I'm going to show you soon a video of my coral and rust and orange type lipsticks, and you'll see this. This is called Sea Sheer, and this is one of those items, colors that I wear quite a lot. I don't know, I mean, MAC is, these lipsticks at least, we know about the company that they now sell in China, which means that they aren't cruelty-free. But they do still have, at least the last time I read, they are trying to work on an international level to get the Chinese to change their policy, or at least suspend the policy as far as their products are concerned. So hopefully that will happen sooner rather than later. But in the meantime, yeah, I do use MAC lipsticks. And this will come as no surprise. This is the Roller Lash from Benefit. I love the way this mascara makes my lashes look, so as long as they keep making it, I'm going to keep buying it. It makes them look like they are natural, but more, a little bit more, kind of fluttery. I mean, there are 3 mascaras that I love, and one of them is the Lily Lolo, which is quite green, and the other is Physicians Formula from their organic wear. But I don't see myself ever giving up the Roller Lash simply because it just makes my lashes look like my lashes, but better. Yes, hopefully this is not flashing back. This is Color Silk Hair Color from Revlon. Started color, I got my first gray hairs at 22. I was covering them up by the age of 25. I've used practically every brand of store-bought hair color you can find on the market, and this was one of the first I tried, and eventually it became the last that I tried. And the reason I have the scarf on is because my roots need a touch up, so I'm going to be touching them up this weekend. But yeah, it's one of those things where the body, you know, the toxins that we put in our body, the body does have the ability to detox. So I am trying to put in as few as possible so as not to overload my natural detoxification systems. And I don't know how much longer I'm going to be coloring my hair anyway. At some point I am going to chop it off and let the gray come in. But in the meantime, this is Revlon. This is the dark, soft brown shade. And this was one of the few products when I had a bad allergic reaction a few years back and I had to stop using everything. I could still use this. This did not give me an allergic reaction when, like, say, the shampoo I was using, Pureology, was horrific. I mean, burned my scalp immediately. This never has, and you know, I don't know how toxic it is, but until I stop coloring my hair, I'll be using the Revlon. Also, there are a lot of green hair colors out there, and they're quite expensive for someone like me who's never actually gone to a salon but actually colors her hair at home. You know, $40 for a hair coloring product is kind of crazy when I can get this for $4. I have an allergy to mold, 2 different kinds, and I still use a conventional product to clean the tiles in my bath, in my shower rather, simply because my doctor said absolutely no bleach. So this I use Kaboom, which has a little bleach in it, but it's not nearly as bad as just pouring bleach, you know, straight on it, or trying to use like Clorox or something like that. I keep all the windows open. Usually I will cover my face with a mask. Sometimes I don't even bother to do that. But yeah, it's a lesser of 2 evils. I have, you know, natural products I feel probably do a good job, but I need to be absolutely certain that there is nothing, you know, no mold or anything like that going on in that bathroom. So there you go. I still have, although, you know, if you know of something that can 100% kill mold that doesn't involve me having to scrub and scrub and scrub and scrub, then by all means, let me know. And finally, speaking of bathrooms, I have this. I don't know if, I mean, I'm assuming this is made from plastic. It's hard to find out what these things are made out of, actually. But if they're made from plastic, the fact that they're soft tells me that there's a 99% chance that there's phthalates in here. And I really want to find something else other than this. I use washcloths, but they just don't give me the same lather, obviously, and they don't give me the same feeling of clean as these do. And, you know, sponges don't do it for me either. But I am on the hunt. I'm going to do some investigation today into EcoTools and a couple of other companies to see exactly what's out there. Hopefully it's not too expensive. Obviously this is like $1 or $2 that I get at Bed Bath & Beyond. But, you know, if I could find one of these that is phthalate free and, you know, is a reasonable price, then I'll be happy to pick that up. But in the meantime, shower poof. Okay, everybody, let's take a look at and see who won the giveaway. Congratulations, Sandy Sunday. Please email me at freerangediva@outlook.com and send me your address, and I will get your mask out to you right away. Everybody who participated, thank you so much. And I really enjoyed reading your choices of unicorn or dragon or mermaid. And I really enjoyed the fact that some of you are so passionate about which one that you want to pick. You know, I would see unicorn, exclamation point, or mermaid, or dragon. So thank you guys so much. You made my day. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And in the meantime, everybody, until I see you again, take good care of yourselves And subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'll talk to you again very, very soon. Bye!